The first spot I want to show you is your neck, right here. This tends to get tight because we are forward head, puts stress on these muscles back here. So we're like this, and that's because we're driving like this. We're on our computers going like this. Head is down, looking at our phones. I see it all the time. This is going to help with that, this particular movement. Take the ball. This is the midline of the body. You're going to scoot it slightly behind that. Then you're going to take your body and put it against the wall. Now you're going to put part of the pressure on your shoulder, on this shoulder right here, and you're going to find a spot that's more than just pressure. So I feel pressure, pressure, you're moving around. I feel pressure, pressure, pressure right there. Okay, that's more than pressure. And you're going to hold it there until that spot feels like all the other spots. It doesn't feel anything more than just pressure. The protocol is 30 seconds to 2 minutes, so you could be on here for 2 minutes. And what it'll feel like once you've found a spot is here's the ball, here's your muscle, and it'll be here, 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 and then it'll just relax over the ball. Now let's just say, for instance, that you found a spot and it goes away relatively quickly. What you could do is then move to a new spot, because more than likely you have more than one. And just hold.